I'll show you one more sacred geometry that is given to me by Mahalakshmi. You just have to draw that with the red pen. If you don't have the red pen right now, you can draw it with any other pen, any other color, sorry. But next time when you draw, please draw it with the red pen. Can everybody see the paper? Can everybody see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So kindly draw this. These are 5 circles. You can unmute and speak.
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect.
मैम थोड़ा सा कैमरा के पास में लीजिए मैम.
Can everybody see now?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
And ma'am, I would like to ask that yesterday's what we have to do for that, ma'am.
So
Yesterday
we'll take
on
the
that.
questions. We'll take the questions after the meditation.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
How many circles we need to be drawn? Can you
So
please
this is
tell?
basically 5 circles. So if you see, start counting from here, there are total 5 circles.
नंबर्स नजर नहीं आ रहे हैं.
हाँ, मैं आपको numbers में आपको बता देती हूँ. Just draw this circle, draw this entire thing, the sacred geometry, and then I'll share you the numbers also.
Okay.
Has everybody drawn the sacred geometry?
No, ma'am. Please wait. It has to be outward from inward, outward to inward or inward to outward, ma'am?
It is inward to outward.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, I will WhatsApp once we are done with the meditation.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Sonia, can you see now?
Yeah.
Sonia
I can see
Vadva.
the numbers. Numbers are not very clear.
Numbers,
So
I will mention. I will mention the numbers. Just
Okay,
draw
I've
the
made
sacred
other-
geometry first.
Yeah.
And then I will clear, I mean, I'll share the numbers also.
I've done that. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is everybody ready?
No, ma'am. Just few seconds. Yes, ma'am. Done now.
Is everybody ready? Others are ready with the geometry?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. So where this circle ends, you can see this. Circle ends. This is 8. This is 8. Then you turn. This is 6. Again you turn. This is 7. and this is 2. This is 2. This is 8. I'll just repeat again. This is 8, 6, 7, and 2. So between 8 and 2, it is 5. Between 8 and 2 is 5. Between 8 and 2 is 5. Between 8 and 6 is 3. Between 8 and 6 is 3. Between 6 and 7 is 9. Between 6 and 7 is 9. Between 2 and 7 is 4. Two and 7 is 4. Is everybody done with the numbers?
Yes.
You will
Yes,
post
ma'am.
it, no?
I will post it in the group, but for right
Okay.
now, for the meditation,
Yeah.
we will need this paper.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
Is everybody done with the sacred geometry? Can we continue?
Yes.
Perfect. So the same thing as we discussed yesterday, this geometry, you can sit on this geometry, you can keep it in your hand, and you can keep it on the other hand between two hands. So keep it on the left hand and your right hand should be there on the geometry. You can sit, you can draw on your left hand, whatever is comfortable with you, but it has to be with the red pen, red colored pen. It has to be with red colored pen. I request you all to kindly close your eyes. And place the geometry as per your convenience. Just close the eyes and place the sacred geometry that we have drawn right now. Either you sit or you keep it between your hands or you draw it on your left hand. Whatever is comfortable with you. This sacred geometry is given to me by Goddess Mahalakshmi to invite the abundance, financial abundance in our life. We will invoke Goddess Mahalakshmi and ask her to help everybody and request her that we receive the financial abundance for our entire life. Tash tatatakamakaraty shishishishititirkititirkina tatakamashushtaratakamakananantakuratish tatatakamakaratysh tish tatatakamakatakamakaraty kikikikina tatakamakaratikina tayatatatakamakarato shishishishishukaratatatatam titikimikire 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 Tatam shashashashakaya tatatamakara tukumakarati kikikina tatakamakarati kamakarati kamakarati. Tashtarati itarati 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 itarati. Tashtarati itarati 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 itarati. Tam shishishishikire titikina tatatakamakarati shtatakam. Tishtarakam tarakam 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 shishishishikire titikima tatatakamakara takamakara takamakarata. Shushtamakor tatatam 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 tikina tatakaya takamakara takanana nakara takamakara 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 takam. Shishtanator tarakam taratam 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 tashtatamakara tiki titi titi tishtorototam taratashtanakamakara tishtatatam. Sitikimikiya tatamakara takamakara tishishikiyate tatamakara tishtaratam taratam. Te kanashish tarati kinaki shashashak karatum tarati shashashasha tatatakamakiyya takamakarati kiyatakamakarathi kamarati shastaratakamakaratakamaki shikiyata samakar kiyati shishishishikite kina tatakamakarathi tim karatim shashashashashashashashashashashasham tarati kitakas tatatam tayete kitikimikiyata sastakatatatamakarati Mitikina karato shamistara kamata karatakas tatatam tarati tikina shashashashashashitorotototamakaratina tatakama neta nakaratom shashashashakaratatatamiyatakamakara shishtarati sarati karati karati timikire kire 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 kinikiyata shamikiyata tatatakamakara takamakara takanananakamakara takamakara nanananananananananana Tishanakam torotom taratom 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 shashashakaratata tatakamakara nananakarata kamakara nankarata kamayatatatam. Shititikire tikire 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 tikishishishikiyat tatatatam. Tishanatam torotom taratom 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 taratom. Shikina taratatatatatatatatatatakamakara shishishishikine te kimikire tam tam saratim shishishishikire te yatatasamakarati shtaratim sam teretem shishishikire te kimikire te shishishimikire te mikire te. Let the codes integrate in your auric field. Sah kamasha kekikiyastakama ustatatashustatakam. Shishishiki tatatakama karatiki kiki na shashashashashashashatakamakaratakamakaratakam. Tika nakarati shishishishiki tatatakimi kiki na shashashashashashashashasham. Tika nakamakaroto tokomaki yatakamakaraati shishishishiki na tatasamakarati samiki yatashishishiki rete mikirete ahakamakah atakamakanakanakaha ahakakamakanaha tatatakamakahanananana. Nito no koro to kahahihihimiki nanana kahahihihimitenekerikim. Sahatikimishahum tatatakamashtek namastatati. Tatakamakahanaki yetakahananakaratikimiritetekishtara tatatakomakarata. Teka nakarakim kishishikina tatatakamaki yetakakakanaki yetakamasta. Kishtam tishishtara tatakamakara tashashashashakarata sam tashishishterete. Kita makarati shashashashakamakarata shashashashakamakarata shashashashakamakarata. Mita nako shashashashakamakarati shishishikimikiretim shishishikiritim. Tikimikirikim kirikim kirikim shashtara tatatakamakaratиш. Tim taratim taratim sasasasakarati shashtaratim taratim. Tishtarake shashtarake 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 sastarakam shashtarakam. Mita nakaraka shashtarakama sasasakamakarati samakarati. Teka nakarati sasta tatatakamakarash tatetekemikirish tatatakamakaratam. Tistamiki shestemiki tastaniki miteketeke mishtoro tostamiki nasti shustaratatakam. मीता करति शस्तरकी ससस्तरकी मीतम करति तेरेकी स्तततकम करति शरति 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 तेदमिकिरे की शिशिष्टरततसम तोष्टरततसम कितम करकी कितम किरकीष्टरकम शशस्तरकीष्टरकम ते कम करति शशस्तरतम तरतम कीष्टरकम ससस्तरकम की तरकमि शिशिशिष्की यते किमि की रेते ते किमि की रेते शिष्टरतततम ताम केरे किम ससस्तरकीम सरकीम ससस्तरतम तोस्तरके शस्तरके शशस्तरके साम तेरे के ससस्तरकेम सस्तरकेम सस्तरकेम तोष कतकरकीश तरकीम मेतनश करतो अहहस्ते अमका काश्रीम तससस्तरतम कितम करति किनलत करतो शुशुशुशुशु करति किमि किरेते मीतन करतो शस्तरकम ससस्तरकम ससस्तरकम ते कनतोस्ताम ते की शस्तरकम ससस्तरकम ससस्तरकम साकुम शहासे तानाशिकीनो सातिशुस्ताना परतस समः इश्कितता सता महिकिना कुमशः तहम ते की इष्टा साम तो किनाश्तो सकीमः असोशी तनकी मेतानास्कमस्तो सस्तानाश्किमिस्तो मिताम किरे किरिष्तो ससस्ताम किरिष्तो शुम्तहासीतशुम्तियस्ता मिताम करतशिकिनमः उस्तरतिष्टे सितामिकिरिष्टा ततताम करष्टे सोम तरष्टि 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 की नमिष्टरकोम शस्ते ती कनष्टे किष्टरके स्तमिकीन शो साम तेरे के तरश के निकीम सरस तेरे केम ओम शह अहा में का तम सो सीताम शे की नष्टो कम सो Sa isho tata samti kinashtoro toto samte. Satami kinashtorokum sasestatishta namakaratoshta tatasi kina. Me kinashto tatashtam tatashtam tatashtam. Kitam sasastereke tatatam sim taratish sitim shiritish satam kitim sustanakum shashtiki namasto mitanastum shitaraste mitanastam she. Mitum shokis tekinama saskanamishturukum se taraki mishkarastamisto tamashki tastanakum kishkanakamaste tatum katahama ishto se samashki sistam kirishtum sistami kishtanako samtikinam mastikinosh kiriki astamishkistamisto stimisha taham tastanakam to ma kesha tah istum kirish tah ma kuruste taham shah kistum. Mahalakshmi is present in front of you. You can feel the presence. महालक्ष्मी आपके सामने खड़े हैं. आपको उनका प्रेजेंस फील होगा. जो सेक्रेड ज्योमेट्री हमने ड्रॉ की, वो सेक्रेड ज्योमेट्री महालक्ष्मी आपके अंदर डाल रहे हैं. तीसरी आंख से, आजना चक्र से. तहकुश ततता तुस्तमकी शक्तकमा. Mahalakshmi is initiating the sacred geometry that we have drawn on your third eye. Some might feel a strong sensation on your third eye, itchiness on your third eye. Tahash ko hum sa ke ta sasasta mi kana sa ki ta kitam tahaki ikita atakamakata sisiki ke hamakana sokoratisha kimita tatakamataka yetatatam. Some might feel the burning sensation. It's okay. You are in the process. Trust yourself and trust the process. be in the process. Tahash katosumma kahustakanamahish tikinamastokashta saham tikinoma sarastim shekamsa sahastim dihostam kitam tostashkatom miham kahusa nehi kahimta ushe nahika orastame mitahakum sasastekin nahikum she tahima kosahimatosho tasheki nama tastim shishishte sakim shoto sakima sekanam mahishto kihamaki histom shaki sasastam so kahimte sakana mta hikishto pahikikya tom hitam ke humta sha kitamishto mishto kihimita namastokashte kinna mitamahista mihista mikana hum sha kihamite The initiation of the sacred symbol is over. We will integrate this energy in the auric field. Kahasum Shya Satam Se Kime Kashota Mita Kina Osa Shitum Kami Kasana Mikino Kihasa Ushta Samte Kina Ahamma Tehamte Kina Hoshe Dhamma Kama Kinta Kisho Samte Kesha Kamsho Iham Takanumaste Ina Kum Shashashta Setam Kitona Kisha Asamte Sanna Kishomta Karaste Tahamte Mahkasomte Kanastam She Kestom Shikita Marastem Kitam Kashashte Sa Mita Kimushtam se tamashke satamshe 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 satamshe. The integration process is complete. Now hold on that paper and keep it on your heart. Take the sacred geometry and keep it on your heart. Tasum shishish tatatakamakaratich tatatatatam. Your heart will absorb the energy of this sacred geometry. You will feel the hands of Goddess Mahalakshmi on your hand or on your head. Some might feel it on the back. Just trust the process and be in the process. Sohoshatikim sahasostatastekin namaso kunashte mitarakama ahishati sakumshe sastani kimashto tahastanishkistom mekana ishostekam sekanshe am sahastom mitana kamasho Sahastam Shikanaste Sitana Osta Shikanastamshe Kitem Ahish Kamah Astom. You'll feel a strong vibration on your heart. Your heartbeat might go very fast. It's okay. You are in the process. To Hoshotom Sati Ki Namaste. You might feel the burning process, burning sensation, itchiness. It's okay. You are in the process. Trust yourself and trust the process. Tahikam Shuktasa Sasamte Shitanama Kuusta Mistamsha Kina Kumsa Kashe Sasa Kima Kino Koko Kina Amso Ushta Nanakayeta Sanananda Shikinameyeta Sa Kanasho Tanate Kitamekina Shayeta Samikina Tatakamakoro Tokona Yeta Sikina Mayete Shikina Tatakamakarate Nahi Kamakena Nanakosa Nakarati Kanama Karotikina Sakamakarati Mitamakarata Samakarati Shtomata Samiki Setanakam Sastinashkinastom Takim Tahastanakum Kinamakarati Stamakar Karati Shtamake Mitanakarati Shanatom Tarake Mikireti Kamakarati Mikirati Makarata Samakarati Mastamakarati Shastamte 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 Shastamte. Slowly come back to your senses. Take your time and come back to your senses. Rub your hands and keep it on your eyes. अपने हाथ मल के अपनी आंखों पे रखिए. and slowly open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Slowly open your eyes with a beautiful smile. धीरे से अपनी आंखें खोलिए मुस्कुराते हुए. Is everybody back to your senses? Everybody back to your senses? Perfect. So basically this meditation, you will have to repeat it for next 21 days. ये meditation आपको 21 दिन के लिए repeat करना है with the same process that we did today. And you can keep the drawing under your pillow, in your wallet, whatever your heart says. Go with your heart. Anybody would
Ma'am,
like to
जो-
share? Yeah, please, Priya, बताइए.
Yes, ma'am. हाँ मैम, कल जो ड्राइंग बनाई थी उसका क्या करें?
सेम आप
दुर्गा
उसको
माँ का जो
तकिए के नीचे रख सकते हो. आप उसको वॉलेट में रख
हाँ
सकते
हाँ
हो.
ओके मैम.
जब भी आपको लगता है कि भाई आपको पावरलेस फील हो रहा है, आपको लगता है कि आपकी एनर्जी ड्रेन हो गई
Okay.
है, तो आप उसको हाथ में रखिए 5 मिनट 7 मिनट और आपको वापस से आपकी एनर्जी वापस आ जाएगी.
ओके मतलब उसको अपने पास रखना ही है अब वो
हाँ
ड्राइंग्स. हाँ
हाँ जी
ये जो बोलेंगे.
हाँ जी.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
वेलकम
थैंक यू मैम.
welcome. Anybody would like to share their experience? Kindly unmute and please share your experience. Thank you, Manisha ji, for sharing experience. If you could just speak, it would be great.
Yeah, Sapna ji, I felt lots of vibration in my third eye,
Okay.
and also I could feel Ma Lakshmi pushing that symbol in the third eye.
Okay.
Plus, during the heart meditation, the heart started beating very fast, and
Mhm.
there also I could feel vibrations, and there was lots of heat during the process.
Okay. Okay. Thank
But
you.
it was divine. Thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing your experience. Anybody else would like to share their experience? Anybody else would like to share their experience? I would request to unmute and speak.
Hi, this is Yogesh.
Hello, Yogesh.
I'll join. Hi. I joined a little late because actually yesterday I was trying the yesterday link to join the group.
Uh-huh.
And then later come the you send a new link for it.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I missed one of the number, but then also I have started doing it.
It's okay. I mean, see, when your intention is clear that you want to be in the process is on.
Okay.
So I'll be sharing. I'll be sharing the symbol. I will be sharing this sacred geometry in the group.
Okay. Actually, I'm not in a group, so maybe that's the reason I missed today's link.
Okay, I will share my number. You can just send me a hi, and
Okay.
I will add you in the group.
Yeah. But I just want to share the experience. When I kept this paper on my heart,
Uh-huh.
there was a warmness in it. So I can feel that warmness.
Yeah, I mean, see, I could actually feel that a lot of people are feeling that warmth, that burning in the heart, in their body. That's why I said just be in the process, trust yourself, and be in the process.
One more thing, just want to ask you. I think maybe like a lot of people also having the same doubts on it.
Please.
Can we keep these two geometry together and sit on it and can meditate on it during our puja time? Can we do
I
that?
would suggest keep it different because it's a two different energy.
Okay.
So maybe you can have some time for the Ma Durga geometry, and for some time you can have the Ma Lakshmi energy.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I request you to kindly keep it separate.
But can we fold this because I've drawn this on the A4 set? We can do that, right?
You can. You can.
Okay.
You can.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I have shared my number on the chat. You can just send me a hi, and I will add you in the group.
No problem. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Anybody else would like to share or ask?
Hi, Sapnaji. Like,
hello,
yeah,
Bhavani.
Yesterday I missed. Yesterday I missed, and I have personally sent you a message regarding that. I didn't get the recording of yesterday's, and today also I could, unfortunately.
No, don't worry. I will be uploading it soon. Another 2 days or so, 2-3 days, I will be uploading on the YouTube, and I will share the YouTube link in the group.
I'm not in the group. I don't know about
I have just shared my number in the chat. Can you can just take that number and send me a hi. I will add you in the group.
Sure, thank you so much. And today also, unfortunately, I could not join early. I was late, 20 minutes later. So I missed the geometry or the paper, what you're talking. I don't know about it.
It's a symbol. So I'll show you what the symbol is all about. So this is a symbol that I was talking about.
Okay. So I just happened to enter during the light course. So
okay,
I was just, when you said to keep the palms on a heart with the symbol of the paper. So I was just saying that whatever the symbol or geometry Sapnaji has told, I'm just keeping with my hands. So that's all I just said.
That's okay, Bhavani ji. The intention matters a lot. If your intention is there, you are still in the process. And I'm sure you would have felt the vibrations also.
I didn't felt much vibrations today. I don't know why, but I was feeling some light kind of thing, some flash of lights,
right?
Something like that.
So something, yeah. I mean, see, vibrations not only necessary; it has to be a vibration. It could be anything that you feel, anything that your body feels.
Yeah, something is opening up. Some sort of light and flashes were there on my third eye.
Okay,
that's what I felt.
Okay.
Thank
you, Bhavani ji, for sharing your experience.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your initiation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we end our meeting for today. Tomorrow we will invoke Ma Saraswati. Ma Saraswati is basically goddess of knowledge, and we will ask her, we all have knowledge. So we'll ask her to convert the knowledge into wisdom. So I request you to be on time tomorrow, and I'll be sharing the link in the group. Thank you very much. Thank you for being there. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.